Hey, what's up guys? I just want to show off my restored, upgraded Craftsman 929 two-stage snowblower. It's got a 9 horsepower engine. Excellent. I modified the impeller on it. Every snowblower will benefit from a modified impeller, but from my experience, anything 8 to horse 9 power or above can really benefit from this. I know for a fact a 9 horsepower and up for the snow that we've been getting is absolutely unstoppable. Especially the heavy wet stuff we get at the end of the driveway. If you check out my other videos, you could actually see a couple of demo videos from a couple of customer snowblowers to my own personal snowblower, which is an Ariens in 1128. I actually have 2 of them. Awesome machines. Highly suggest them. If you can come across them, grab them. If not, these are excellent machines. I definitely wouldn't pass up on these. Needs absolutely nothing. You can see it was originally green and looked a little, wasn't the best, so I did it over in black. Kept the green though, kept the 2-tone. Threw some tire chains on there, because when you're going through the heavy wet snow, you're going to need some traction. I put brand new Kevlar belts as well. I usually put an LED light, but there is no way to mount the rectifier. So I just ordered a regular light, and I'm going to put that in, mount it up, and I already have this sold. So I'm going to put this up for sale anyways, to see if I get any bites, and see if anything, I'll just build another one. But if you're in the market for a snowblower, definitely scoop up one of these. As it comes to 9 horsepower, great solid engines, and God forbid anything happens to it, easily, replaceable. Any further questions? Let me know. Thanks for checking me out.